As we cover the news around the country, we try our utmost not to become the story. But today, our St. Catherine correspondent was attacked at the Homestead Primary School while on assignment. Kirk Wright has the details.
Homestead Primary in St. Catherine. A protest is on the way. The teachers staged a sit-in as a means of highlighting their grounds with the principal's management of the school.
And we, the teachers of Homestead Primary and Infant School, are displeased with our principal, Ms. Sophie Dear's behavior. There has been some indisciplined situation at the school, and the children are not being disciplined and the teachers are not being respected. When grouses are taken to the principal, it is shoved under the mat, and teachers are not feeling safe at the school, neither are the students feeling safe. We want our voices and our concerns to be heard.
During the filming, our correspondent Devon Fletcher was attacked by this man. The video is without audio because the man damaged the microphone. The gleaner quotes him as saying, "Me no tell if you no put the camera upon me." The attacker then reached for the gleaner reporter but was stopped in his tracks by residents. Press Association's President Milton Walker has reacted to the incident.
The Press Association of Jamaica condemns unequivocally this reprehensible act of thuggery that was unleashed on the Television Jamaica cameraman this morning. The PHA wants the public to know that journalists must be free to conduct their duties without any sort of hindrance at all, and that we are here to protect democracy, we're here to keep the government, private sector on their toes, and that we must be allowed to do our jobs.
TVJ News understands that the attacker is from the area. A formal report has since been made to the police. In the meantime, it's unclear whether classes will resume at the primary school on Wednesday. Frustrated teachers tell us that there's been a series of incidents involving students who are disruptive. This video with a grade 3 student hurling stones at his classmates in a classroom has been making the rounds on social media.
He also hit another teacher who is not here at the moment. That student also hit and slapped, kicked another teacher, actually more than one, because we have video footage of him kicking other teachers. And whenever these incidences occur, nothing is being done. The child comes back to school the next day, sits in the class, and continue to be disruptive.
Parents are also disgruntled about the principal's seeming inaction.
At time for she go. Schoolyard, when you come in the schoolyard, very dirty. From the front gate, look at the schoolyard, they can go there and look. It want a proper gate. Look at the play field, you understand the rain of her, but look, she need to come up, man. And then she don't know how to talk to the teachers. Then you come here, and on a daily basis, you want to talk to her as the principal, she don't have no time. Where you are? Me don't have no time for you.
Now, we've tried to get a comment from the principal and the school's chairman, but we were unsuccessful. Kirk Wright, TVJ News.